Hey friend, welcome back to Chem Gorilla. My name's Trent and today I'm going to take you to Thailand where we're swapping out the engine on a longtail boat. I was there at a guest house and really didn't have much to do that day, and I noticed that they were working on an engine down in the patio. So I went down and offered to help, and it turned into a full day of labor, but it was a lot of fun. So stay tuned to see the whole procedure and see if we get it started in the end or not. Come along. So the first thing we needed to do was load it up onto the scooter sidecar and haul it down to the waterfront. Then we had to use this sketchy little hoist to bring it down to the level of the boats. Notice we're all wearing our steel-toed flip-flops. Then we needed to pull the old engine out of the boat. These engines are typically 4-cylinder Isuzu turbo diesel truck engines that have been repurposed for these longtail boats. They even keep the transmission and clutch on them. There's the clutch housing coming off the old engine, and me bolting it onto the new one. You can see some tourists getting onto a boat there in the background. And there we are putting the transmission on the new engine, tightening up the bell housing. I need a vice grip or something.
Put the water cooler here. Just for the
just for putting it in. Okay. There you can see my favorite travel vice sitting on the concrete next to me. Oh, that Coke is good. Getting the new motor over the boat was pretty dodgy, and I wasn't too sure about those ropes. Then it has to be bolted down to the frame on the boat. Another tourist boat coming in from the right. They kept coming going the whole time we were there. Ron, what does Ron mean? Hot, Ron, hot. Ron. We're almost done. I'm excited. I can already hear the engine. Yeah. We took a quick break for a bite to eat at the guest lodge and then got right back to work, heating up a hose so that it would fit onto the cooling pipes, putting a little motor oil in the engine, and then topping up the cooling system with water. First try, not much luck. Time for new battery. Also not very good, but at least a little bit better than the original one. Almost. Holy crap, did you see that? Dude's got the two batteries jumpered together with a wrench and he's holding it in place with his foot. Let's take a look at that in slow motion when he hits the starter button. Those connections are arcing all over the place right underneath his flip-flop. Aha! We have a working engine. Of course, we had to take it for a little burn that evening in the Andaman Sea to test it out. And it worked like a charm. I hope you enjoyed that day in Thailand, and if you did, smash the like button and also consider subscribing. You never know what's going to come out next. And remember, keep creating because someone's going to love it. Take care till next time.